Hey Angel, teach me something about basic electrical engineering.
Yes, Samaraha, I'd love to teach you about basic electrical engineering. Let's start with Ohm's law, which is fundamental in this field. It states that the current I flowing through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage V across the 2 points and inversely proportional to the resistance R of the conductor. The formula is V equals IXR. This means if you know any two of the values voltage, current, resistance, you can calculate the third. Want to dive deeper into any specific topic like circuits or components?
Can you explain the Kirchhoff's law?
Sure, Samaraha. I think you meant Kirchhoff's laws, which are essential in electrical engineering. There are two main laws. One, Kirchhoff's current law, KCL. This law states that the total current entering a node must equal the total current leaving that junction. In simple terms, the sum of currents at junction is zero. This helps us analyze complex circuits by ensuring that charges conserved. 2. Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL. This law states that the sum of the electrical potential differences voltage around any closed loop in a circuit must equal zero. This means that the energy supplied in the loop equals the energy used by the components in that loop